So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can easily make ad copy like professional like me. Okay, so in this video you can, if you watch this full video, you can exactly make how I make ad copy for my blog, for my website, and how I get traffic. So for that you have this website cool text for text design. This is very nice website where you can design, and easygift.com also I see, grok and ChatGPT. So first you have to do make a ad copy for the title, like $100 per week using Adsterra make a ad copy and blog. So after that you just click on enter button, and then your post will be ready. Like you have to now design the text to attract your customer. So for that you just copy this text from here and copy this text from here and just paste it in the cool text website, and here you just design as you wish. This is the basic thing, that how you can design your ad copy from this type of website, and that's it. So when you design this, just simply save it as a image, because we need actually image. All of things is based on the image. So see, my text design is ready. I will just save it. Okay, now see, my image is ready and completed. And after that I need to design another text. Like always when you make ad copy, at least minimum you need two different images or two different sequence images, otherwise it will not look like animation. Okay, so by using this method you just simply boost without any cost. Like when you post by Facebook, you have to spend money, but in this method you don't have to spend any money for boosting your website. I have so many free boosting sites where you can promote your ad to get click. Okay, so that's it. And just copy these things and come to grok, click on imagine, and just go and click on this here. Okay, and paste the link and enter, and your design is ready. It's already ready within just 1 second. You can download from here. So I'm just downloading this. This look more professional. And after that I will download another image also. See, you just click on save as same images. That's it. Okay, and now I will click on another image, and as you can see that this image is also a professional image. Okay, so you can use this image also. Another interesting thing is you can make video from Imagine. You don't need to go anywhere. Like Imagine is offer free video make, but I am not going to share this. I'm going to share now the easy GIF making. This is basic things. Every design you can make from scratch. So go to easygift.com and select those photos as a GIF maker and click on open. There, see, GIF maker section. You just, everything is ready now. Just upload files and your GIF will be ready within a minute. That's it. So just upload files, click on this, and then simply you have to setting some things like delay 40 or 50. That's it. You have to setting these things, and then click on make a GIF. Okay, now everything is ready. Now click on save. So that's it. It's actually a game-changing things. Like you can make now unlimited ad by using this method. Okay, so click on that and your design will be ready. Now you can also use the text design same method, like upload those images from here and click on open, then upload files, and then as you can see that your both image is will upload and your design will be ready within a minute. And after that, as you can see that this is actually basic things how you can make ad copy for your website, and this gonna work perfectly. Now I'm going to share how you can promote this as a free post. Do not go for now impression. I am not sharing impression. Follow my method, you will get click must be. So first you make a block, copy this which I have already shared with you how to make a block, paste it here, copy the title from here, copy this title from here and paste it in here. After that you have to put the image in here. Okay, it's not actually worked, I have to make some space in here, and then I click on here and bring the image drop in here. You can use this by uploading also, I just use simple method and click and resize the image as much as you prefer, and see everything is complete. Now this is my ad copy, this is my ad block, everything is just boom. So this is this design. Now you can just share, and now see copy the link from here and this. Okay, and after that see how actually it will work. You go to home, this website you can easily auto assign in your points. Like if you add any website, you just auto assign the points credit to that, so that you don't have to worry about anything. Okay, like if you auto assign 100%, the website will get 100% traffic. So I will share this more, but now I'm going to add the website first. So first you have to add your website in here. Always give a site name. Okay, always provide a site name in here as much as you prefer, and paste the link in here and add website. Okay, now see your website will be test pass without any problem. Like my website just test pass. Okay, and it's just a nice things I like most. And after that this is ready, and you know my website is almost completed for everything. Like I just make it so customizable, so that everything I just design here it's customized. So I just now auto assign the points in here. So see SD, this is my new website, I just click on 100% and delete this previous assign update. Now I will just serve section, I will serve the ad, and I will get click, because everyone using this method. Don't go for impression, don't go. Okay, if you try to get impression, I know you are tired of this. So many comments in my comment section, that's why I actually invented this method. Like don't go for impression now, impression games, avoid this now, just go for ad click. I have Canva Pro template, okay, where you can access Canva Pro. I'll try to share this in my next video, like the template, like the website. You can use that with just one click. Okay, so don't worry, I will give you free boosting method, I'll give you free template method, free template, and that's it. You just do exactly I'm doing, that's it. So guys, thank you for watching this video. You can also use the Canva. See, this design is made with Canva. Like how? The method very simple. Go to canva.com and then go to canva.com and cross this. After After that, and click on the any customized design you can click, and then you can just search it. So I just click on here, and see, I already make so many ad copy, but I'm going to share you the simple way of making ad copy. Okay, see, click on design and template, and as you can see that your website design is almost, ad copy is almost ready in here. Just search the design you need, click on the design, customize it, that's it, and download and paste it in your blog site. That's it, guys. Simply make ad copy. I'll just share you next in my next video how you can get one click template for Canva Pro and free boosting so many websites. Okay, I hope this video also work for you, and don't forget to use this method because don't waste your time, just do now. That's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. Make your own ad copy, promote in free boosting site. That's it, guys. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe me. Bye.